So here, let me share with you one of the problem that I encounter in my Acer laptop. So accidentally, the display orientation has changed to all portrait. So my desktop appeared like this. So I don't know what happened, but let me share with you how to fix this. So you just need to right click, and then after you right click, this is what happened. So what are you going to do now is to just simply go to display settings. So here, kindly click display settings, and then after that, uh, kindly go to the display orientation. So currently the display orientation is portrait here, as you can see. So we just need to change it into landscape. So kindly click this and then choose landscape. And then after that, the orientation of your laptop already back to the normal, and it's already on the landscape.